Welcome to 7324 Jenna Road in Springfield, Virginia's 22153's Glenwood Manor neighborhood. There's no HOA. This home is pride in ownership, with an original owner listing it for sale. You'll note crown molding throughout the formal living spaces, hardwood floors throughout both the main and upper level, and chair rail in the formal, separate dining room. The main level powder room was just recently renovated. Moving into the family room in the back, you'll note a wood-burning fireplace and all-brick hearth, as well as slider doors that go to a lovely and spacious deck. The family room is open to the kitchen, which features an eat-in space, bay window, floating island with electric cooktop, and a renovated kitchen with beautiful cherry cabinetry, oiled bronze hardware, and complimentary granite countertops. There is also access from the oversized two-car garage to the kitchen. Moving upstairs, the primary bedroom features two different closets, as well as a dressing area with one sink vanity and ensuite bathroom with another vanity and tub shower combination. There are hardwood floors also throughout this entire level. The bedrooms all feature replacement vinyl dual pane windows, which make it easy for cleaning and energy efficiency. Also on the upper level are three additional bedrooms. Here you're going to see the 3-year-old energy efficient windows. Noted are the architectural shingled roof is only 2 years old. There's a Carrier HVAC that is 2015. The water heater is only 2014, and you can see that there is upper level laundry. In preparation for the sale, this hallway bathroom was renovated with new floor, new vanity, and new toilet, as well as fixtures. So let's take a look at the neighborhood. It's zoned for top Fairfax County public schools, Sangster Elementary, Irving Middle School, and West Springfield High School. Across from the neighborhood is Huntsman Square, which features a giant food grocery store and Starbucks. There are metro bus stops and commuter lots nearby, making commuting a breeze. The lower level features a 5th bedroom, as well as a full bathroom, with a private entry to the outside backyard. Do you need a home office? No problem. We've got it right here in the lower level basement for this room, with a door to one of the most unique features of this property, an unfinished, unconditioned workshop space located beneath the 2-car garage and sliders to the backyard. There's a 0.32 acre lot that's ready for you to call home.